back to my little corner of the internet. I am so glad you could join me. For everyone that's new here, my name is Bube. I am a Zambian lawyer, I am a Christian, and I am passionate about charity, and that is the kind of content you would find on here. So if there's are topics that interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you do not miss any content. That said, we'll jump right into our video. Today we're looking at 5 reasons why you should make a will. So, fact number 1, everyone is going to die. I know that that is just so down for a way to begin a video, but it's true. Just this afternoon, I was looking through my feed on social media, and in fact, just in the last few days, I saw a popular politician, one of the first female president of a political party, if I remember correctly, who is going through a legal battle because there's issues regarding the will and who should be the executor. And these are some of the things that can be avoided by just simply making a will. Just drawing from Madam Edith Nawakwi's situation would be make a will to avoid confusion once you are gone. Number 1, decide who will look after your children. A will allows you to decide who is best placed to take care of the children once you're gone, especially if they are minors. A lot of the times we have seen that children suffer the most adverse effects of death of a parent, especially where if these children were born into a comfortable family while the rest of the family not so much, and there is a big dispute over this estate once the deceased is gone. But what can help such situations is if the deceased leaves behind instructions how these children will be taken care of within the will. If not, it poses a great challenge. So number 1, you can decide how to take care of your children, especially the minor ones. Number 2, choose your own executors. So executors play the biggest role. So just for context, in our Zambian context, for people who do not understand who an executor is, this is the person who we popularly know as the administrator. Or the administrator does not own everything the deceased leaves behind, but they only wind up the affairs of the person who has died, who could be you. So you want to leave a will because you want to choose your own executor, someone who or people who you can trust to wind up your affairs well and ensure that things are done the way, or at least as close as possible to the way you would have done it if you were your own executor. Number 3, let your legacy live on. Okay, so in your will you have the freedom to leave gifts behind. Okay, so if you are passionate about a particular church or a ministry in the church where you wanted to leave a gift, whether it was a car or a piece of land where they can put up the church, or it's an amount of money to missions, a will allows you to do that. But if you don't, the law that kicks in is the Interstate Succession Act, and the Interstate Succession Act only takes into consideration close relatives of your family, mother, father, children, wife, or wives, as the case may be. But if your intention is to continue to support, or at least for the last time support, a cause we're passionate about, whether in health or in education or nutrition or whatever, if you're passionate about something, this is a way to speak or to leave a good legacy behind and leave a gift for the causes you were passionate about. A will allows you to do that. Number 4, tomorrow is promised to no one. So I know, death is a bit, and especially in our African context, it's surrounded by so much superstition. But procrastinating it doesn't help. So if you do not make a will, all you do is leave confusion behind. We have seen even the example I began with about Edith Nawakwi, where there is a big battle between her and her husband's children from an earlier marriage. They're fighting about who should be the executor and whatnot. It's just a messy situation. You do not want to do that. You do not want to be the example in my video of what a bad example is for not leaving a will. Tomorrow is not promised to anybody. Make a will and protect your family from a lot of confusion resulting from not leaving a will. And number 5, finally, you can decide what happens to your estate once you are gone. Okay, there are so many things that happens. Your property can go to someone who you did not intend or who you did not want to leave it to. So it helps you, the will helps you allow to decide who you want your property to go to, what you want your estate to become once you are gone. So thank you for joining me today, and those are the 5 reasons I think you should make a will. I hope this content has been helpful to you, and if you would like to learn a lot more about, for instance, how to get letters of administration, what to do if a will has not been made and someone you love has already died, and that kind of content, just comment down below and I will be happy to support you and just bring you helpful information around this topic. Death can be very solemn and death can bring a lot of pain beyond the day of the funeral. So yeah, this has been Bupe. I'm so glad you could join me today. I look forward to being more interactive with you and providing you more value. Until the next one, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Till the next one, I have to love and leave you. This has been Bupe. Bye.